In this video, we will show the basics on how to use the CNS VoIP Phone. The buttons at the top left of your screen are your line keys, and they display your extension number. You might have more than one line key displaying your extension, and the reason for this is to allow you to navigate multiple calls with ease, which we will demonstrate later in this video. These buttons at the bottom of your screen are called soft keys, and they change depending on the state of your phone. When your phone is idle, it will display these options, but other options will appear when you are dialing a number or receiving a call. The history button will show your phone's history. If your phone has had a missed call, it will flash a phone with a red X at the top of your screen, indicating you had a missed call. Once you press the history button in View Your History, you can press Back, which will take you back to your home screen. This will clear the missed call notification at the top of your screen. Your phone may have BLF keys. This stands for Busy Lamp Field and is used as a speed dial button for other extensions on your phone system. BLF keys are great because they display a green light if that extension is available and a red light if they're on the phone. Pressing a BLF key will dial that extension. This envelope button is your voicemail button. You will know you have a voicemail by the envelope button at the top of your screen and the flashing red light to the bottom right of your screen. To access your voicemail, press the envelope button. Depending on how your system is set up, you may be displayed one of two screens. The first screen is the app setting and may ask for a password. Once inside, you can listen and delete voicemails using the options on screen. To exit this screen, press the More button and then exit. If your phone is set up as a feature code function, it will initiate a call to *97, your voicemail, or *98, any voicemail, and prompt you for your PIN and/or voice mailbox, which will be your phone's extension. Once inside the mailbox, there will be a voice prompt which will help you navigate your voice mailbox. This button with multiple people is your conference button. This button is your hold button. Pressing this will put a caller on and off hold. This button with the headphones is your headset button. If you are using a headset, you can press this button to activate headset audio. This button with two phones is your transfer button. We'll talk more about transferring calls later in this video. This button with the microphone crossed out is your mute button. Pressing this button on a call will mute your voice. This button is redial. Pressing this will redial your last placed call. This button is your speaker button. Pressing this will answer an incoming call and switch your audio to speakerphone. When you get an incoming call, there are several different ways to answer it. The most straightforward way is to simply pick up the handset. This will answer the call and play the audio through the handset. Another way to answer a call is to press the button to the bottom left of the screen labeled Answer. This will automatically put the call on speakerphone. To switch to the handset, simply pick up the handset. You can know if your phone is handset mode or speaker mode by the symbol at the top of the screen. Pressing the speaker button when your handset is in the cradle will hang up the call. To make a call, simply dial the intended number or extension, and from there, you can press the Send button under the screen, which will dial out on speakerphone. You can also dial the number and pull the handset off the hook. Important note as of 2021, in Texas and many other states, you must dial 10 digits for calls to work. If you have an extension or phone number saved to one of the buttons located to the left or right of your screen, simply pressing that button will begin the call. When on a call, you'll notice you have multiple lines to the left of your screen. These line keys help you navigate multiple calls. When you're on a call and another call rings in, you will hear a beep and see your second line key indicating you have an incoming call. To answer the second incoming call, simply press that second line key. This will answer the incoming call and place the original caller on hold. You can know that the first call is on hold by the flashing green light and the pause symbol on your line key. You can easily navigate back and forth between the two calls by using these line keys. Switching to one call automatically places the other on hold. Remember, you can also use this hold button here to place the call on hold. There are 3 ways to transfer a call using a CNS VoIP phone: blind, attended, and voicemail. A blind transfer sends the call directly to another phone. While on a call, press the button underneath the screen labeled Transfer. Then dial the phone number or extension you wish to transfer the call to. Then press B Transfer, and this will transfer that call to your target extension. You can also use this transfer button here to achieve the same result. To send a blind transfer to a BLF key, simply press the BLF key while on the call, and the caller will be transferred to the target extension. An attended transfer allows you to speak to the party you are about to transfer the call to before the transfer actually takes place. To do this, press Transfer, dial the extension you would like to transfer to. This will connect your extension with the target extension and place the original caller on hold. Notice that your first line key will flash green, indicating that first caller is on hold. If the target extension would like to take the call, press Transfer, and you will have successfully transferred the call. If the target extension would not like to take the call, you will need to press Cancel and resume, and you will continue speaking to the original caller. A voicemail transfer transfers a caller directly to an extension's voicemail without actually ringing their phone. To perform a voicemail transfer, press Transfer, star, the extension number, and B Transfer, and this will transfer the caller directly to the target's voicemail. If you have multiple calls on your phone at once and you would like to conference these calls together, simply press the Conference button, and this will merge all calls into one conference. Note that since your phone has created this conference, if you were to end the call, this would end the call for all parties. The volume controls are located below the screen. This controls the volume of your ringtone as well as the volume of your phone calls. When the handset is in its cradle, pressing the volume buttons adjusts the ringer volume. Pressing the speaker button activates speakerphone. When speakerphone is activated, pressing the volume buttons adjusts the speaker volume. When the handset is off the hook, pressing the volume button adjusts the handset volume. Your phone may have a call park key. The call park feature allows a person to put a call on hold at one phone and pick up the conversation from any other phone. To park a call, simply press the call park key, and that caller will be placed on hold in that parking lot. You will notice that your parking lot key turns red. Any phone can pick up that call by pressing their call park key. If a certain phone does not have the call park button, they can dial the parking lot number to pick up the call. If you would like to put your phone in call forward mode, press Menu, Features, Call Forward. You have 3 different call forward options: Always Forward, which will forward all incoming calls; Busy Forward, which will only forward calls when you're on a call; and No Answer Forward, which will forward calls after ringing your phone for 20 seconds. To select one of these options, use the arrow keys and press the center button to select. Use your right arrow key to switch Always Forward to Enable. Move down and dial the number you would like to forward to. This can be a 10-digit cell number or another extension. Then press Save. When your phone is in call forward mode, you will see this symbol at the top of your screen. To disable call forward, go back to the call forward options by pressing Menu, Features, Call Forward. In the call forward option you used, use your arrow key to switch to disable. Press Save. Your phone may have other BLFs and options as assigned to your account. These options can include a quick key for call flow, which will override your day/night or open/close schedule, green being not activated and red being activated. Quick dials for commonly dialed phone numbers or user-changeable announcements, such as the announcement played when overriding the day/night condition. They may also include a login or logout button for hot desking. For more information about these features, please contact our customer support at 254-735-0524, option 2 for tech support.